What's up, everyone? I'm going to start opening the packs. This is number 16. This is number 16. Brian, you're on the clock. Justin is here. Beautiful surprise. I'm going to start opening the packs. If we hit a Herbert 10 or less for Was, someone in the break is going to win 1,000 in credit. From me, not Karen. Let's do it.
Brian Holm.
And I'm doing it for one reason. I'm doing it because Karen told me to do it. Or you didn't tell me to do it. No, Karen, I'm doing it. I got it.
Brian.
Hooks, I gotta be honest, dude. I was about to eat some. I can't eat anything bad, dude. I just had a piece of shrimp cheese. I'm sad because I can't eat. I know, no, Karen, I know you weren't. That's why I corrected myself. I know. I want to do it, though.
Brian, I'm going to give you the Raiders. Brian, I'm going to give you the Raiders. Brian, I'm going to give you the Raiders. You're not answering.
Yeah, give it to me. Terrence.
Bears in 16.
Maggio.
So weird because I can't. It feels so weird.
Why?
Because it's different in my computer.
Bears in 17. Justin Miller.
It's Ryan Maggio.
Justin Miller, then Haskell.
Justin Miller.
Random team 11 is
Browns
after
in
these
16.
three. Haskell.
Haskell. Bears 18. JG 23.
You're eligible, Eric, yeah.
JG 23. Browns 17.
Maggio.
Falcons in 16.
All right.
I keep hitting this caps lock.
Kevin
Wallace. All right, I'm going to give you Browns in 18.
You pick the rest. 10.
Tim. There's only 3 spots left. Night, Doug.
Doug, good night.
Tim Jones. All right. All right. Tim, you're going to get Patriots here. Sean, you're going to get Falcons in 17, and then Colin's going to get Falcons in 18.
Green Scope. Denzel Ward to 75 for the Browns. Clyde Hilaire for the Chiefs. Golden, Washington. C.J. Henderson to 25 for the Jags. Rookie, Red Shimmer. Judy True. Beckham go in, bigger go. Ooh. Oh, Haskins Orange, second year to 249 for Setcom. Justin Jefferson, true. We have another auto coming up. To 149, it's a red wave of Prizm for the Jets. Gibson, rookie. Henry Fireworks. Jonathan Allen. Washington to 35. We have a silver. Stephen Gilmore, silver for the Pats. David Johnson, Texans. 125. Hurts, true. Ayuk, true. Henry Ruggs, silver.
Nice.
Wow, Russ Payne.
Russ. Nice hit, Russ.
Nice hit is right.
Silvers are so hard.
They're so hard to hit, it's insane. Gladney for the Vikings. 199. CeeDee Lamb, emergent. Deontay Johnson, 175, Steelers. Here's a little backup. Ruggs. Jacobs all out. Piron. Hamler. Chark Brilliance.
That's me, Mason.
Red Wave Cole Kmet for the Bears. That's 249. Rieger, true.
What? Gold?
Gold vinyl.
No.
They're number 5 in this.
Oh, to 5?
Yeah.
Oh, black's the one, yeah.
Yeah.
We have a gold vinyl.
Wow, we have a gold vinyl. Donovan Peoples-Jones. What's up, McCann? Daniel Jones, second year. Drew Lock, hype. Watson to 25, Blue Shimmer, Texans.
It's a good hit for a cheap tan.
Wow, I'm nervous.
Oh, God. Be a rookie.
I'm nervous.
Be a rookie.
I am nervous. If it's Herbert, someone's getting 1,000 in the break, and Watts is driving over here right now.
Be a rookie. It's upside down, isn't it?
It is a rookie. Oh, I see. Thaddeus Moss, rookie for Setcom.
That's the worst squeeze in history.
I squeezed it to death to 5. I squeezed it to death. LOL.
Nice hit, Packers.
Such a those look like the supers, you know.
They're so nice, yeah. Not Packers. Redskins.
Sitcom.
Why do they do that? Make them to 5.
Black.
They got the black, yeah, because they have the blacks already.
He played at LSU. That's Randy's son? No, it's not. It's Randy Moss's son.
Is it? No.
Yeah, I think they're telling me it is.
I guess it is, yeah.
Oh, that's incredible. He's not even... Rogue Silver.
Let me pick it. Where's the box is at? Where's the box is at?
Are you sure it's his son?
Oh.
Right there.
I'll pick it.
You're picking it. I don't know if that's Randy Moss's son. That was the worst squeeze of all time right there by me. The worst single squeeze of all time. What's up, Fulton?
What's up, Garrett?